Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our color carpet time. Now, this is our time of day when we gather around our big color carpet here in class. We have a seat, we listen up really nicely, we practice some letters and the sounds they make and the words that they create and all kinds of other cool things. Now, we're going to start things off just a little bit different today because we're not having a Zoom today and something cool is happening over here. Let's get to it. Let's take a look at it. So far this year, we've made 2 10s and 9 1s, which is 29, right? 29. So we've been in school for 29 days. Now, every day that we come to class, we grab a straw and we put it in the ones column. Now, normally we just talk about how many days we've been after that, but look at what happened. We had 9. We added one more. That means that this bundle right here is 10. And we can't have a 10 in the ones. So let me bundle these guys up and get a rubber band on them. And then I'm going to move it over to the 10s. But now you see that I have 1, 2, 3 10s. So I'm going to need to change this number to 3. And then I look over here and I don't have anything here anymore. So I'm going to take these out. Put a 1 to reflect that change. Boys and girls, we just made our third 10 of the year. We have now been in school for 30 days. 30 days. All right. So normally we don't do that during our color carpet time here on our YouTube channel, but I thought it would be special to do that, right? Thought it would be special to do that. Okay. We're going to do something called segmenting words. What does that mean? Well, I'm going to give you a word, and I want you to count all the sounds that you hear. Like this. Yam. Yam. Let me break it up. Y. A. M. Y. Am. 3 words. 3 words. 3 letters. Sorry, 3 letters make up the one word. Yam. Okay? Just like that. So let's try look. 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 3 sounds. 3 sounds. How about ox? Ox. 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 That one's 2. That one's 2. And yak. Yak. Y, a, k, y, a, k. That one's 3. That one's 3. Okay, how about can? Can. K, a, m. K, a, m. That's also 3. So that's a little bit of practice with segmenting sounds, and we'll do more of that. I think that's a good way to start it off, right? So, we have a challenge coming up Friday. That's right. We have more sight words. We have a Friday Mrs. Duck sight word challenge, right? We have been doing an excellent job so far. So we're going to continue that with some new sight words. Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Super Monkey. Super Monkey. How you doing, buddy? Very well, Mr. T. How are you? We are doing awesome. You know what? You're just in time. We're going to introduce some sight words. You want to help out with that? Why, of course. All right, can you go grab them for me? All right, boys and girls. First time practicing. So I'm just going to read them. You don't have to try to say them before me or anything like that. I'm just going to read these off, and you can feel free to watch this as many times as you want so that you can get these down. Okay, here he's back. Super Monkey. What do we have first? What? What? This is what? We have next, Super Monkey. Thank you, buddy. All. All. All right. Were. Were. But. But. and not. Not. Okay. So we've got some tough ones in there, don't we? All right. But we're going to get a lot of practice in. I know that Mrs. Duck always loves this, and she's always working so hard for it. So we're going to work hard too, and we're going to do great. Thank you very much, Super Monkey, for coming over and helping us. No problem, boys and girls. And good luck. Whoosh. Wow. And he's out of here. Good old Super Monkey. Okay. We have some letters that we are going to be taking a look at. So I've got a couple cards. I'm going to hold it up. I want you to tell me what you see. What color is that? That's right, it's yellow. What is this boy doing? That is a yawn. Good. What is this pink stuff? Kitties like to play with it. That is yarn. Yarn. So we have yarn, yawn, and yellow. Now what do all those words have in common? If you said that they all begin with Y, you are correct. We are practicing some Y sounds. Now, what about this? What is this? It's a question mark. How about this? What is she? She is a queen. We are also working with the qu sound right there. You see that? So I've got some practice for you in our orange workbook. We are going to work on page 2.1, 2.1, and 2.2. We have our Y, like yellow, and our Q, queen. And we know that we are going to add the first letter to each of these words. If it is a Y on this page, you're going to color that picture. If it's a Q on this page, you're going to color that picture. So we have our Y and our Q. All right. Now the second thing I'm going to have us do on this Monday is our J page, right? In our handwriting packet, our J page, and you can color the jack-o'-lantern. Probably starting to see these around. Jack-o'-lantern, you might even have some out in front of your house. So we're going to practice writing our J's, right? And there you go. So you have our J's, and we have our Q and our Y page. Now, before we go on, I want to talk about adjectives. An adjective, what is that? Well, we talked a little bit about nouns. We know a noun is a person, place, or thing. Right? Person, place, or thing. Well, there's also adjectives, and those help to describe those people, places, or thing. Now we're going to practice that right here. And I'm going to say this is, and I'm going to hold up a card, and we're going to talk about what it is, and then see what the adjective is, what describes it. This is a green alligator. Green alligator. This is a green alligator. So what describes it? This is a green. Green describes it, right? Describes the color. That's an adjective. This is a green alligator. How about this one? This is a red yo-yo. This is a red yo-yo. What kind of yo-yo is it? It's red. That's what's describing it. That's the adjective. Red yo-yo. Okay. Now this one's got a couple different colors. So, but I'm just going to use one of them. Okay, I'm going to use this. This is a yellow tent. This is a yellow tent. What describes it? The color yellow. It tells us what color it is. Yellow tent. That is an adjective. Cake. This is a cake. Now let me add an adjective. This is a white cake. Or I could say this is a blue cake, but it's mostly white, so I'll stay with that. This is a white cake. What kind of cake? White. That's the adjective that describes it. Right? Finally, this is a yellow hat. This is a yellow hat. How is it described? Well, I described it by saying it's yellow. So this is a yellow hat. The adjective, the word that describes it, is yellow. This is a yellow hat. Now, we will work more with adjectives and nouns and all kinds of other things very, very soon, but I think to start off, that's probably enough. Okay, boys and girls, thank you very much for joining me at our color carpet for Color Carpet Time. Thank you to Super Monkey, wherever you are. I know Mrs. Duck is already training because she saw us doing those sight words, and she's on it. So we need to be on it too, so we can take her on Friday. Mrs. Duck, sight word challenge. All right, boys and girls, you take care. I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.